AI does not think like humans, but it can solve problems very fast.
Every day, we wake up and use technology without thinking much about how it works. But something powerful is quietly helping us all the time. That invisible helper is called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. When you unlock your phone using your face or fingerprint, AI is working instantly.
AI unlocks your phone and then it learns what you like, helping by suggesting videos, music, and apps.
When you use maps to find the fastest route, AI studies traffic and saves you time.
AI helps with navigation. When you talk to voice assistants, AI listens, understands, and replies, yes?
Online shopping uses AI to show products you might actually need. AI recommends products. Simultaneously, AI helps protect us by detecting unusual activity and possible threats.
AI also helps students learn better by adapting lessons to their needs.
AI supports education by constantly learning from data. As the data flows, the system improves over time, enhancing the learning experience.
AI does not think like humans, but it can solve problems very fast.
AI works differently from humans. AI is designed to help people, not replace them.
From homes to hospitals, AI is becoming part of everyday life. It assists people, helping, not replacing.
Understanding AI helps us use technology wisely.
Learning about AI is important. In the future, knowing about AI will be a valuable skill.
As we develop future skills in AI, we must remember that using this technology responsibly is crucial for a better future.
Responsibility is emphasized. AI is a tool, and how we use it matters most.
AI is a tool that is making a real difference. Even small AI features are making our daily lives significantly easier. AI improves daily life, and it will continue to grow, helping us build a brighter future as the world lights up with new possibilities.
Understanding AI helps us learn, grow, and use technology wisely. This is the future we are already living in.